Skibbity beep beepity beep boop boop. So, today we will be doing a cooking guide. Now, I will be showing you guys how to make the best damn Canadian poutines you can imagine. For that though, I need to go get some ingredients. So we're gonna go to the store and then hop into my kitchen. Now, I do not have an external mic for this camera, so if the quality is a bit off, that is why. Just tolerate it, I swear. It will be worth it because in the end, you will know how to make a great poutine. Let's go to the store. Wow, I'm going out of my room. Well, for the first time in a long time, I'm outside. It's actually pretty warm today. All things considered, it's been cold. As you can see, the snow starting to melt. You know, all things considered, it's a very nice day for filming outside. It's not that cold. Snow is melting, you see? It's great, I love it. I was really expecting it to be freezing. So I brought my really awesome gloves. These shoes are really good for cold, but no, good filming conditions. We don't get these often here in Gatineau, but we'll see what happens, right? So here I am at the store. I took the longer way to go in just because I want to have some time to talk to you guys. I won't record too much in there. I know some stores are very picky when it comes to recording. The last time I recorded in a store was again 3 years ago. So I'll try to get as much of it as I can. There's a bunch of security guards there because they're transferring the money, so I don't know how suspicious this is gonna look. They might arrest me. If I get arrested though, remember, a good poutine is in the gravy. Don't forget. So I got a plastic bag. Sue me. They stopped barking, so let's go in. Hey! You made a mess. You made a mess. Why would you do that? Yeah, oh yeah, I know you're cute. Yeah, this is Potato. He's fat, but he's really cute. This is Pretzel. She's the smart, calm one. But she has more of a tendency to bark than Potato. But she's smart about her barking. She'll bark when she wants the attention. Alright, so we're in the kitchen. I did take off the wide angle lens. If I put the lens as you can see, it's a lot wider like that. But the problem with this is, since there's a lot of uncontrolled lighting here, I cannot stop the light from making these little flashy things in the corners. You see those lenses there? Those lens flares? I can't stop it because this is a pretty cheap lens. So you're gonna have to bear with me. But let's get cooking. We're gonna move over to this station right over here, which is where we're gonna start setting everything up. I'll explain how to make the perfect poutine. So, I did mention earlier that the gravy makes it. That is true, but don't forget that the gravy is just a cherry on top. Some legit cheese. You don't need the best fries. You need good fries. So I had two options. You can go with the fries that were $2 for a bag, or I could go for the fries that were $7 for a bag. I don't know what the fuck kind of fries do they have for $7, but it was probably not worth it, so I decided to buy the $2 fries. Now that you got all your ingredients, this shouldn't cost more than around $8. $8 to make your poutine is probably the right price. Not cheap, but not too expensive, you know? Stop. Why are they so bright? Why is my camera so... You know what? I don't care. Anyways, now you need to cook those fries. Cook the fries in the beginning. Don't cook anything else. Don't get the sauce ready. Make the fries first. They take the longest. This feels like common sense, but you never know with people. Alright, got the plate. You don't just put the fries on the plate. If I see someone do that, I just physically cringe inside. I didn't show it in the video. I did wash my hands before doing this. Fellas and fellarettes, wash your hands before making food. Don't need to give your disease to everyone. Perfect. there is literally no light in this corner because this is where the oven goes. So you're gonna set. Wait, no, don't. You're gonna click bake. Put it at 450, and then you're gonna start it. Start. I'm very good at this. Now here comes the fun part: preheating. All right. So the oven is done ovening. So let's open this. Of course, it's really hot in there. I will not put my hand near it. Gotta be careful putting this in. I don't want to drop it. Pew. And now we cook this for 15 minutes. Now we wait. Right, so the fries are ready. Let's take them out. I do need a glove for that though. Don't burn your hands. Let's go, gamers. Now I'm holding a tripod while taking out the fries in a very hot pan. Nothing bad can happen with this. Obviously, if you're under the age of 14, you know what, 15, because kids are stupid these days. If you're under the age of 15, don't do this yourself. There's a very likely chance that you're gonna kill yourself doing this. Also, don't forget to close this oven and turn it off. Oh right, the gloves don't work on this. There we go. You're not getting any. Save me some good sauce. And now, using a whip, you're gonna slowly start whipping it. I wanted to record another part of me mixing the sauce, mostly because it was pretty thin in the beginning. You might have thought like, what the frick, does he not know what he's doing? But look at this, thick sauce now. Looks pretty brown. This is for everyone who's doubted me in the past. I know how to make my poutines. Alright, so the fries are ready, the sauce is ready. I ate about half the cheese, but that's fine. You know, we're gonna make this look nice. This is gonna be a very good thumbnail. The fries are still nice and hot. There we go. So okay, the way poutine works. Fries, cheese, not too much, don't put too much cheese. You do not overdo the cheese. A bit more fries. Then top it off with a bit more cheese. Just a bit, you already put some more. You want like the little pieces like this, there you go. And now, you put the sauce. Some people might say, oh my god bro, you put the sauce at the bottom and at the top. No, I don't want my poutine to be a goddamn soup. And there you go. The perfect poutine. Ladies and gentlemen, fries, cheese, dribble of sauce. That's how you make the perfect poutine. Don't at me, fellow Canadians. You know this is true. If you don't do this, you're not a real Canadian. So, you might be wondering, why did I do this? What was the point of all this? The point was, this is how you make a good poutine. Canadians, come on, let's band together, let's show how let's show the whole world how we make our poutines. And that's how you make it. This is a good poutine. I'm gonna go enjoy that now. See ya.